G'day guys and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to adjust the handbrake on my Hillman Superminx. Looks like it's about to rain, so let's get the car into the garage and we'll get on with it. I've got the car up on jacks here and I've run into a bit of a problem. The right rear wheel cylinder is completely seized. So this is the wheel cylinder here. This is the automatic adjuster and this should not be doing this. Somebody's been into these wheel cylinders in the past. There's a nut back here which holds this self adjuster on and it's completely loose. It's just spinning. This one's tight. When I was taking these drums off, this one was quite hard to get off. It was binding. These are the little adjusting wheels here and this is completely stuck. When I got the car warranted about a month ago, the guy that was testing the car did say that the brakes were unbalanced on this side, and that's probably why, is because this wheel cylinder is completely fused. I can't adjust it at all. I've checked the wheel cylinders by having someone to press the brake pedal, and on the left side it's working absolutely fine. Pistons coming out and the shoes are coming out. This side is not, it's just jammed solid. I did notice on the back of the wheel cylinder here that there was fluid leaking out of it, but it's dry on the inside of the drum, and this is the dust cover that was sitting on the back of it. So I don't know if it's had a very slow leak for some time, or what I suspect possibly has happened is dirt and grime has worked its way into the wheel cylinder. It's just seized the piston. We're not going to adjust the handbrake today. It's pointless. We need to fix this wheel cylinder first and foremost. I have had a look online and you can't, as far as I'm aware, buy these anymore, but you can buy seal kits for them. So I've got a couple of seal kits coming over from the UK. That includes a seal which goes over the piston, and then there's like another seal sits in here, and it comes with a replacement dust seal. I'm only going to do this side. I'm not going to do the other side because the other side's working, but I've got a spare in case the other one goes, and then we're going to have some fun trying to get this sorted. Just for reference, here's the left hand side. This is in much better condition, this wheel cylinder. This is the self adjuster here, and this is how it should be looking. So that one's fine. It shouldn't be doing that. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.